Hi guys, Neil at Untitled Autos here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be giving another review on this OTTOCAST Picasso 2 Android Auto wireless system. In the box you get the unit itself. I'm going to try and do all this one-handed. You get a really nice and smooth bit of foam. Another nice bit of foam. And in here we have some cables. It is like a jumpy USB, so you can plug this in and then have another item plugged into it as well. And you also get a USB A to C connector. So you do need to at least have Apple CarPlay wired or Android Auto wired for this box to work in your car. If you don't have one of those, this box isn't any good for you, so stop watching now. So if, like in a lot of Porsches, you only get the choice of Apple CarPlay, which is wired, this box is great because you can plug it in and you've got wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple Music, or whatever you call it. So guys, this is the unit. It fits in the palm of your hand. It is only tiny. The connections on it, we've got a USB connection on the side there. We've got a SIM card slot and the power slot is there for it. So let's get it plugged in and find out how easy it is to use. Power cable just slots in underneath there. So now that's all plugged in, let's just pop the key in the ignition and turn it on. And this is the boot up. As you can see, it's straight into the device with a little bit of loading. This is real-time boot up. There we go, all in, ready to go. You don't have to push any further buttons. It just loads straight into Android Auto. And the Android Auto itself, quick guide of it, you've got games you can play on there when you're not moving. You've got your telephone system which you can use, which you can also use the buttons on your steering wheel. You've got your music, which is straightforward and very responsive to change stuff around. And you've got your Google Maps, which is a godsend because you can just go, hey Google, navigate to Birmingham.
Navigating to Birmingham. You're on the best.
And you can display things side by side, so you can have all your directions on the right and your music on the left. You can also go into your folders and sort by songs, sort by albums, which is the one I normally use. Some of my random stuff I've put on there. So the screen responsiveness is actually down to the screen in the Porsche, not down to the OTTOCAST. So if it is a little bit slow, that's because of the car screen itself, not the Android Auto system. On the main menu, you can use Apple Music, you can use Android Auto, you can use Deezer, you can use messages, Facebook messages, podcasts, Spotify, Skype. I've got Virgin Radio, you can see the weather as well.
Currently in Walsall, it's 17 degrees with rain. Today, it'll be rainy.
Definitely raining.
High of 18 and a low of 8.
When it's plugged in, you do have a blue light on top of the unit. So over the last few months, I've had a couple of these to test, and this is my main go-to one. Some of the other ones, they do tend to fail a little bit, and you have to unplug the USB, plug them back in to get them working again. But this one is my go-to one because it is so reliable. It hasn't actually failed or stalled or got confused on me at all. So this unit, I would happily give it 5 stars. It has saved me a lot of money by not having to get an upgrade unit fitted into my actual head unit, which is what, £650. This isn't the cheapest unit out there, but it has been by far the most reliable. I have now reviewed 3 of these. One of the videos hasn't come out yet, and I do find it the most reliable of the lot. So if you want a premium product that is going to last you and be reliable, this is the one to get. Now, if you are interested in buying one of these, there will be a link in the description below and also a discount code. So if you are going to buy one, please use my discount card so I get a little bit of a throwback out of that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.